Welcome to the Solution Champion module for Commvault's Backup and Recovery for File and Application solution set. In this module, we cover the basics you need to build powerful conversations with your prospects and customers around how you can help them more effectively manage their most critical business applications and databases from vendors such as Oracle, SAP, and Microsoft. The management of critical applications and files, along with their associated data, is challenging, and high rates of growth are only making the problem worse. With demands from dev test organizations and line of business owners with critical SLAs, business risk and costs are rapidly escalating. Business goals and requirements are forcing changes in IT environments. The growing use of cloud and more mission-critical applications only add to the challenges. Today, your customers are likely trying to address these challenges by throwing more resources at the problems. For example, more hardware infrastructure, more headcount, more point products to solve specific problems. This not only increases costs and complexity, but also limits their ability to scale. Your customers need a solution that allows them to control their escalating costs of storage, licensing, and IT resources. Improve automation to simplify management and improve operational efficiency. Improve application and file performance, meet stringent SLAs, and accelerate application dev test processes. Seamlessly migrate workloads across storage tiers as well as to, from, within the cloud, and from cloud to cloud. And increase visibility across application and file environments to better manage, move, and use critical data. Commvault offers a better approach with our Backup and Recovery for File and Application solution set that allows customers to innovate faster. Applications are managed throughout their lifecycle, accelerating the dev test process for improved business agility, enabling the rapid recovery of production application data and the ability to meet stringent recovery SLAs, and improving application performance with data archiving, while reducing the storage footprint, all using a single console that simplifies management. This comprehensive approach provides unprecedented visibility, allows faster decision-making and application development, enables migration to the cloud, and enhances operational efficiency through automation. Customers have achieved the following benefits using Commvault's Backup and Recovery for Application solution set. Reduced recovery point objectives, or RPO, and recovery time objectives, RTO, by 63% and 62% respectively. A reduction in the number of scripts by an average of 62%. A reduced number of admin hours needed to create database copies for dev test by 62%. A 30% improvement in developer efficiency through faster access to test data, lowered storage costs, and reduction in data sprawl associated with copy data by as much as 50%. Commvault competes against a wide range of competitors with our solution because it covers such a broad spectrum of use cases. For example, in addition to traditional backup and recovery competitors like Dell, EMC, Veritas, and IBM, our capabilities also position us against solution-specific competitors like Actifio, Catalogic, Rubrik, and Delphix. Commvault's primary competitive advantage against all of these competitors can be described in one word: flexibility. We cover the entire application lifecycle, from dev test into production and on to archive retirement with a unified approach. This is a major differentiator compared to our competitors, who either offer a combination of point products that are not integrated, are challenging to manage, and have unanticipated hidden costs, or who only address specific solutions, such as copy data management. Commvault offers differentiated advantages around source-side deduplication, having a single platform, supporting native cloud integration, and having industry-leading support for integrated snapshot arrays, enterprise applications, and cloud storage providers. This gives customers the flexibility they need to accelerate application development and management to enhance business agility. Commvault provides a solution that delivers a powerful combination of IT and business outcomes and results. Automation and orchestration. Commvault enables the automation and orchestration of data movement to, from, within the cloud, and from cloud to cloud. Policy-based automation provides self-service access and eliminates complex scripting. Commvault's unified platform and single index provide a single view of application data, no matter where it lives. Improve operational efficiency. Active copy management. Traditional CDM or copy data management offerings focus primarily on eliminating redundant copies of data and providing self-service access to copy data. Commvault's approach, called Active Copy Management, goes beyond this to provide secure access to fresh copies of data in an automated, policy-based model that allows you to automate and orchestrate the creation, movement, synchronization, and deletion of those copies throughout their life cycle. Reduce costs. Improve infrastructure utilization. Unparalleled integration. Commvault's industry-leading integrated enterprise application, storage array, and cloud storage provider support enables seamless workload portability across locations. Commvault also delivers modern application data protection through orchestrated snapshot management that meets demanding RTO, RPO, SLAs, and enables granular recovery, agility, and scale. We often talk to the backup or storage administrator team about general backup and recovery of servers and storage. While our backup and recovery for file and application solution benefits these individuals, application-driven discussions often take place outside of the IT infrastructure team. This means we should look for additional entry points and introductions to talk to database administrators, development and test organizations, application owners, lines of business owners, and the Director of IT and Infrastructure. In the end, these additional individuals are ultimately responsible for the uptime and performance of these applications. They may be frustrated with the results IT is delivering and open to hearing about new and innovative ways to manage, protect, and restore these critical applications. The CFO and Finance Director care about reduced costs, better access to financial data, reduced business risk, and faster time to revenue. The CIO cares about delivering business value from IT that drives business outcomes, ensuring compliance, and optimizing IT efficiency. The Director of IT cares about being responsive to meet or exceed the needs of the business. They want to know, are we able to meet stringent recovery SLAs for our critical applications? Are we able to efficiently manage multiple applications across our entire environment throughout their life cycle? The VP of Infrastructure cares about overall performance of all critical data systems. They want to know, is exponential data growth stressing application performance and/or response time? Is data always available when needed? Are we able to seamlessly move app data across storage tiers to optimize storage performance, utilization, and costs? The line of business owners care about supporting growth at minimal cost, minimizing inefficiencies, and quickly integrating business changes. They want to know, are we able to quickly and cost-effectively meet the demands of dev test teams as they develop and deploy new versions of applications? Database administrators care about workload automation, reducing manual processes and scripting, user self-service, recoverability, improved performance, and fast copies for dev test. Application owners care about availability, uptime and granular recovery, automating processes, accelerating dev test, broad app and integration support, and application lifecycle management. Backup administrators care about rapid and reliable recovery, workload portability, self-service access for improved efficiency, and automating workflows and eliminating manual scripts. And storage administrators care about uptime, reliability, scalability, recoverability, enhanced visibility into environment, and optimizing storage resources. There are many use cases where backup and recovery for file and application is helpful throughout the application lifecycle process. In this section, we will cover 4 key use cases. Accelerating dev test. Development and test teams need access to up-to-date copies of production data for their purposes, but traditional methods of obtaining copies are complicated and time-consuming. Hours or days of developers' time can be wasted waiting for IT to provision copies of production data or perform routine restores. Or, frustrated developers may use old data to speed up their process, which can impact the quality of testing. Plus, those additional copies often lead to copy data sprawl, which increases storage costs. Commvault Active Copy Management provides fast access to fresh copies of production data no matter where it lives, virtual, on-premises, or in the cloud, which accelerates dev test cycles. Unnecessary copies are eliminated using automated policies, which in turn reduces copy data sprawl and the storage infrastructure required to support it. This policy-based automation and orchestration provides customers role-based, self-service access to improve staff efficiency and eliminates the wait time for DBAs to provision copies of production data and/or backup admins to perform routine restores while ensuring compliance. The end result is an accelerated application development process that results in more agile innovation cycles, faster time to market, reduced risk of human error, and improved service levels. Commvault customers experienced a 63% reduction in the number of admin hours required to create a copy of a database. Migrating to the cloud. Whether it's to lift and shift dev test operations from on-premises to the cloud, or use the cloud as a storage target for backup and/or DR purposes, your customers are implementing cloud strategies. But getting data to the cloud is easier said than done. There may be compatibility issues between applications and cloud storage providers that inhibit data movement, or once they get data to the cloud, actually using it can be time-consuming and expensive, or applications may need to be converted from Unix to Linux before they can be migrated. Commvault software overcomes these challenges with the industry's broadest support for enterprise applications, storage arrays, and cloud storage providers. The unparalleled flexibility and native cloud integration means customers can seamlessly and quickly migrate application data, including legacy applications, to, from, within the cloud, and from cloud to cloud, all without the need for costly cloud gateways. This allows them to run workloads in the cloud and recover within the cloud, saving time and money versus pulling data back on premises. Customers can also use an on-premises hypervisor to move data to the cloud and vice versa, or recover a virtual workload protected in one hypervisor to another hypervisor. Commvault automates and orchestrates the entire process, seamlessly converting databases from Unix to Linux, while encrypting the data to ensure it is secure and deduplicating it to reduce storage costs. Commvault supports an industry-leading 50-plus cloud storage providers, providing significant flexibility to customers. Improving rapid recovery. Exponential data growth, shrinking backup windows, and always-on expectations that have put pressure on recovery times have driven many enterprises to turn to array-based snapshots to augment or replace legacy data protection solutions. Compared to traditional solutions, snapshots offer faster recovery, faster capture of the data, and less disruption to applications. Despite these benefits, many customers struggle to get snapshots working well, if at all. Challenges include integrating applications, operating systems, and hypervisors with storage arrays, managing complex scripts, software and hardware changes that break scripts, a lack of visibility across your environment, and/or personnel issues. As a result, snapshots often require significant manual scripting, which increases complexity, risk, and cost, and doesn't let you scale efficiently. An effective, efficient snapshot management solution lets you accelerate protection and recovery, simplify operations, and scale with your environment. Commvault IntelliSnap technology streamlines and simplifies snapshot management, making snapshots more valuable and effective at protecting and recovering data and applications. IntelliSnap technology centralizes snapshot management across heterogeneous storage platforms, automates and orchestrates file, object, application, and database recovery, indexes snapshot contents, making them searchable, while also enabling granular recovery, integrates snapshots with backup and archive processes management, and simplifies data protection and lifecycle management using a single interface. This reduces administrative overhead by eliminating scripts and improves access, availability, and IT efficiency. Commvault's snapshot management capabilities enable a 63% and 62% improvement in RPO and RTO, respectively. Archive retirement. Database and application performance can be negatively affected when resources are spent backing up data that is no longer needed. To eliminate database bloat, our policy-based archiving keeps your primary production storage lean by automatically moving inactive data to less expensive storage. Even after an application is retired, we enable secure access to the archived data for compliance purposes, for example during an audit, litigation, or governmental investigation. This reduces risk while making sure the data is available when it is needed for the business. Don't just take our word for it. Commvault's value proposition has been validated by numerous customers and third-party sources, including IDC, Gartner, and ESG. According to ESG, the 5 C's – containers, conduits, control, catalog, and console – enable transformative evolutions in areas such as copy data management, and Commvault's introduction of active copy management is an exciting move. Additionally, Commvault was named as a leader in 2016 Gartner Magic Quadrant for Data Center Backup and Recovery Software for the 6th year in a row. According to Gartner, Commvault supports a growing list of cloud and hypervisors and facilitates agnostic conversion from physical to virtual to cloud and back for complete interoperability among them. IntelliSnap offers the same portability across the industry's broadest list of supported storage arrays. This provides a flexibility that is more than the sum of the parts, given the expansive support matrix. But the real proof comes from partnering with customers to solve real business issues, as in the case with a major European manufacturer of internationally recognized consumer luxury products. This customer had over 140 SAP systems in place that were critical to their daily business operations. They were looking to resolve an issue with SAP availability and performance. Restoration times were high. It was not uncommon for a restore to take between 6 and 8 hours. The result was excessive downtime to the business due to system unavailability, which was ultimately impacting their business. Through high levels of automation and with minimal user intervention, this customer is now able to meet aggressive SLAs for the business. Restoring data through snapshot reverts now takes less than 8 minutes, a process that took many hours prior to implementation of Commvault's backup and recovery for file and application solution. Tape backups have been replaced, and 95% of all backup data is now disk-based and snapshot managed. The customer was able to avoid a pending major hardware purchase while improving results at the same time. The ROI on the Commvault solution was immediate, and the benefits of Commvault's backup and recovery for file and application solution produced measurable business value. Real customers, real results, all with Commvault's backup and recovery for file and application solutions. Commvault's backup and recovery for file and application solution set adds to Commvault's partners' value proposition and overall offering portfolio in many ways. Partners that currently do not have an offering in this area can now add solutions focused on challenges customers are experiencing in the application area. Application or database-focused resellers can now offer a complete validated solution replacing disjointed solutions with one comprehensive approach. And all Commvault partners can sell confidently thanks to a best-of-breed solution with support from a strong Commvault partnership. Application and database strategic alliance partners can confidently protect the application or database environment with enterprise-class, application-aware data protection, recovery, and access that will expand their business, speed implementation time, and enable customers to realize benefits faster and increase share of wallet by partnering with Commvault. Adding this Commvault solution to a partner portfolio creates new opportunities to talk to new and existing customers about how Commvault optimizes application management for top business applications. Consulting, managed service organizations, and partners resellers that have a professional services practice as a focus area for growth can position assessment and other services including implementation and installation to their offerings. In general, Commvault Solution Set licensing provides how-to-buy flexibility to meet your customer's unique needs. These solution sets can be deployed individually or as part of a comprehensive data protection and information management solution. Solution Set CommCells carry a 150 terabyte limit on a disk cloud storage when file, app, NAS solutions are included. To license a backup and recovery for file and application solution set, Solution Set licensing in the backup and recovery for file and application area provides the following options. For file, any server actively protected with a Commvault File Intelligent Data Agent, or IDA, file server with a SKU of CN, FBR, CLT. For application, any server protected with a Commvault Application Data Agent, application server with a SKU of CN, ABR, CLT. For NAS, any instance of the Commvault NAS client, one client per addressable NAS IP requiring protection, NAS client with a SKU of CN, NBR, CLT. For snapshot functionality, there is the Snapshot Enabler with a SKU of CN, PA, SRR. Be sure to see more details in the licensing one-page summary available in the Resources tab of this module. In summary, Commvault provides management throughout the entire application lifecycle. For dev test, data sprawl is reduced, along with faster development iteration cycles via our copy data management features and self-service access. For production, Commvault not only automates and orchestrates the movement of data to and from the cloud, but also within the cloud and from cloud to cloud. Commvault leverages our IntelliSnap technology to meet aggressive recovery time and recovery point SLAs, where traditional methodologies begin to fail. As the application matures, database archiving keeps the application lean by moving inactive data from production into an accessible archive instance. And when the application has been tagged for sunset, Commvault will manage the data after it has been retired by maintaining a vendor-neutral file that can be accessed at a later date should the need arise, without having to stand up the legacy database of the original application. It's time to capitalize with your prospects and customers by adding Commvault's Backup and Recovery for Files and Applications solution set to your selling opportunities. Use the knowledge you've gained in this module and the tools you were introduced to, and take more than your fair share of your customers' IT investments.